Hey? Maybe you wanna go here? Hey? I wish I could let you out. Yeah. You smelling out there? Yes? What do you think? Yeah. Oh, that feels so good, man. Tess. Tess. Hey. Well, I think it's
We're going up a hill. Taking a walk. Taking a walk tonight. It's Friday. Friday. And we're with our friend Ruth again. Yay!
The only thing you wish is you could like turn this off, eh?
It's downtown Winnipeg.
But this is Missouri.
This is the hill that Andrew and Ruth, you can see here, Andrew and Ruth, right there. This is the hill that they would toboggan or GT off of every winter. So this is Kimberley Garbage Hill is what they call it. Yeah, believe it or not, there's garbage underneath there. And maybe some bodies.
Oh, this doesn't. Oh, it does work. Sure it does.
Gonna be in the shadow.
Snow at the end of the summer.
Snow in September. It's from the ice rink.
Yeah. But,
Okay, you're gonna throw it?
oh, well, I don't know. Sure. We can throw it over here. There you go.
I know.
This side? I'd be on looking this way.
Velvet. Yeah, but then I can't see.
No, you just don't want to be in the.
This is like, I still, my brain can't fathom this right now. It's velvet. Look at this here. What the heck? I'm shook. It's been sitting there for a while. Hi, buds. Psst, 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 psst. Serious accident over here. I believe I saw a bag, or maybe not. Oh, they're just...
No, there's a stretcher there. Someone's.
Yeah. Hello, vlog. We haven't picked up the camera in a long time. And we're in the car again. Because I think the last video you saw, I was at the dentist. So, we are... Oh, we're heading into a curve right now.
We suggested 70, but you gotta go at least 100 in there.
Oh, yeah.
Come on now.
We are heading out to my nephew's birthday party in the hometown that I grew up in. I haven't been, oh gosh, it's got to be how many years?
It's been a bit.
And that's terrible to say, but I've been away for a while. And a lot's changed. The fire station has changed. There's a new school being built. There's houses galore that have gone up. So yeah, I'm kind of interested to see. Depending what time we leave, and if it's still daylight out, I want to just kind of go around the town and just see what's going on, because yeah, I'm really curious to see. Right now we're in the town of St. Anne's.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing's really changed here.
No.
Right? It literally looks the same. But I I've seen, oh, they have the little library books outside. I thought it was just in the city, but I guess not. Yeah, I just know that La Broquerie has a lot of new things, new buildings, new schools, new houses that have gone up. So I'm really excited to see what's going on. And then we'll vlog a little bit of maybe on the farm. I don't know. It depends who's all there and stuff like that, because a lot of people are not gonna be on video, and there's a lot of kids, and I'm not putting kids on there. So, so we'll see. I might just do the animals and stuff, because the animals, that's okay. They're cute, and who doesn't want to see animals? And we'll go from there. You have something to say?
No, just that it's greasy hair day, so it's time to put our hair
Your
up.
hair's not even greasy.
Plus, it's really windy out.
It's really windy out. Can't really make clips. Well, I wanted to make some clips while we're driving, but it's too windy. So, all right.
Later.
Andrew with the dog. I think I just stepped in poop. Aww.
Not Poppy?
Poppy, yes, I think it's Poppy, because the other one's Rocky. She is the sweetest dog, you guys.
She's blind.
And she's blind. Oh, she's the sweetest. Or is it a male? I think, I'm not even sure. But anyway, just loves cuddles. He was sitting with me earlier, just, aww. And then there's Buds over here. That's Rocky. Oh yeah, he's coming for sure. Hey? Yeah. There's so many animals on this farm, you guys. I'm gonna have to show you around later on. I don't want to film kids, so kids will not be in this video. So I have to watch. There's kids in the sandbox over here. So I don't want to. And then we have the huge garden over here. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And the pool. Yeah, I'll have to show you all later on. My mom's leaving. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous place here. Oh, beautiful land. You guys, there's chickens on the road. Are you kidding me? Hey, what are you guys doing? Oh my god, they're on the road. Like, this is the road they're on. Oh, this is too funny. They just roam everywhere. I apologize for the wind in the background, but I needed to see you guys. I needed to show you guys. My mom would love this right now. Love you, Mom. Story about this tree. I planted it when I was in grade 4. And it was having such a hard time growing. Well, it's fully grown. Oh, our school went on a field trip to Oak Hammock Marsh, and they gave us each a tree to plant, and there it is. These chickens just roaming around. I love them. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, hi, Rocky. It's Rocky. It's Rocky. Yeah. You're always in the picture. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna give you a tour of the property or house that I lived on as a child. So I was here from the age of 2 years old till I was 18. Lots and lots of memories were made here. Yeah, it's changed quite a bit, but I'll just walk you around and enjoy the view. Literally, the chickens are just roaming around everywhere. Now, this is something we did not do growing up. My mom has a fear of chickens. Anything with feathers and wings, my mom doesn't do well. So, oh, they were fighting. Oh, I missed it. Yeah. No, they're. It's just like any other animal. Oh, these are so cute. But yeah, as I was saying, we did not grow up with chickens just roaming around like this. Heck no, Mom would never allow this. So, no, this is great. Pretty one. Hi. Hi, pretty one. You like being in the camera?
Yep.
Yeah.
YouTube star now.
Oh,
Right.
you're cute. He's
That
got a
fluffy one.
fluff.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god,
That's the
he's
mean one, though.
so
He was-
cute.
Back there.
I know. All right, so chickens are just great. Anyway, okay, so this shed was here before, and this is like our water pump house. Like we used to store like a lot of like winter food in there, and oh, what's this here? Ooh, these are gorgeous. I'm not sure what those are. Is this your home? Is this where you make all your babies? I don't know if I captured anything, but oh, so cute. Look at that. They can just... No, not yet.
Shouldn't be going. Pick some. Look.
He's Mr. Boss Man over here. Yeah, he thinks he's the shit. I've only climbed this thing once, I believe, and I freaked out. It's taller than you think, you guys. It really is. But my brother's an expert. He probably climbed it so many times, but it's not being used anymore, so. Hi, pretty one. Is he? Hi. There's animals galore on this farm, you guys. There's animals everywhere. I love it. come on here and show you guys something ridiculous. So there's a store at the bottom of our building, the main floor. And we get some groceries there every now and then. But the main thing that I get there most of the time is our water, which is the Fiji water. So when I went today, and it's the regular lady that works there all the time. She always helps me out. She's wonderful. Anyway, she's like, when I went to grab the water where I usually grab it, I grabbed myself a little basket and I put 8 in there because I'm like, oh, that's all I can carry right now anyway. So when I went to the till, she was like, oh, honey, come with me. I told the delivery guy to keep them in the cases for you. And I'm like, what are you talking about? She's like, oh yeah, come with me. I have a box saved for you. I'll show you the box. So from now on, she's saving these for me, a 12-pack every other day for me to pick up at the store. Like, how sweet of her is that? So she's like, you don't need to we're not going to unpack them. Yeah, look at that. These big bottles here. People, you know, if you're kind to people, they're kind to you. Remember that, folks. Smells so clean and fresh now in here. All done. Ready to eat supper. All right, folks. You just saw me do a bit of exercises. It's probably due to the cramps and all that I'm having. Time of the month next week. I'm pretty sure that's what's happening right now, but it's like I can't breathe. Like, and it's only on my right side. It's my hip. And it's like cutting my circulation. So I'm like just exercising it out. It's helping, but like, oh, come on. Just stop being a pain in the I didn't say the word. YouTube's not gonna violate. I'm not gonna violate YouTube's terms.
Hey guys! Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're feeling extra generous, leave a comment below. And like, come on guys, like, subscribe too. Because it's free. It's free. And it's free forever. And here's the thing. You only have to click it once.